Hey, what's going on? It's Dominic Dames coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. Today I wanted to shoot a quick update video on Futureadpro to just kind of show you what I'm doing in the background here. As you see my account right now, I'm at $163.17. And I can take this money out if I want to, or I can, buy more ad packs, which I'm going to do. I'm going to buy more ad packs with that $163. And as you see right here on my commission balance, I have a little over $6,000 with this platform. Okay. Now, guys, I've been building this thing in the background for a little while now. And like I said, it's paying daily. Haven't had any issues with it. It's it's fun for me. I like being able to log into my back office on a daily basis and and see funds in my back office. I mean, that's the most exciting thing for me to see on a daily basis. Now, guys, if you want to join this particular platform, I have a full-fledged sales funnel that I'm using and my team are using to build this business if that's something that you want to do. But guys, you don't have to recruit anybody if you don't want to. That's the cool thing about this platform. You can come in, you can get started, you can buy your ad packs, you can click your 10 ads per day, and you can move on about your life. You don't have to be on here very long. You can be on here 10 minutes a day, and you can go on and enjoy the rest of your life after you click your ads. You have to click your ads and able to get involved with the rev share portion of the business. And what the rev share portion of the business is that the company pays you a percentage for you coming in and participating on clicking your ads. Okay, now this company, in my opinion, is a very sustainable company that I feel like it's going to be around for a very long time. Here's why. They have outside traditional businesses that are connected to this particular platform. Okay, they have cafes, they have a sponsorship with race car drivers, with soccer players. They have their own cryptocurrency, which they just launched here last year, I think around December, November sometimes. I'm not 100% sure when it dropped, so don't shoot the messenger. But yeah, I believe it was December, November when they came out with their own coin, and it's called the Futureadpro coin, which you can go to Coin Market Cap and you can go check that out. Just type in FTO and you can see what it's trading for right now or the current price. I haven't looked at it in a couple of days, so I don't want to give out any false prices. Okay, but guys, this program right here, man, if you want to get involved, I'm going to leave all the information in the description below this video if you want to check it out. And we're going to also be showing you guys, if you want to get involved and you want to promote it and you want to do that, you can as well. But like I said, you don't have to recruit anybody. But if you do want to recruit people and you want to get them into your business to be able to build this a whole lot faster, I highly recommend that you take a look at what we have to offer. That, like I said, I'll leave that in the description, because what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to set up the system. We're going to show you step by step how to set up Futureadpro up. We're going to show you exactly how to set up a sales funnel. And what a sales funnel is, if you've been online for a while and you know how, like Amazon or eBay or anything like that, any types, or even Walmart, anything like that, and those big companies. You know how if you put in your email address when you sign up to something or you subscribe to something, then anytime they have a deal, they always send out an email to you, or even like a Groupon or whatnot. And all of a sudden you start seeing all these emails coming into your inbox, and you're seeing all kind of deals. Now that's what they call email marketing, and that's a good way for people to see what's going on. I mean, I like getting emails for me, to show me, if there's deals or whatever, it's 20% off this or 50% off that, or whatever the case may be. I like to see emails coming into my inbox. I'm not going to say all of them, but I like to see what's going on, so I, pick and choose to what I subscribe to. So that's basically what we're going to show you how to do, excuse me, is basically what we're going to show you how to do. Once you put your email into a lead capture page, a squeeze page, you're going to collect that email from that particular person, and what's going to happen is the system, which we call an autoresponder, is going to send out multiple emails to that particular customer or particular member, that way you can follow up with them, so that way they can see your offer more and more. Because like I said, 9 times out of 10, you have those people who are not going to join your offer right the first time. They're, statistics say that people have to see your offer 7 to 8 times before they get involved. And I mean, and I can attest to that, because a lot of times I get stuff in my inbox all the time about different online opportunities. And first thing I do is I go to YouTube or I go to Google and I do my research. And like I said, I highly recommend that anything that you join online, you go do your own research. I mean, that's a must to see if this is something that you want to get into. I do it all the time. I go to YouTube, I check it out, see if there's any good reviews or if there's any negative reviews on the business or whatnot, and then I make my judgment there. So you definitely want to do that. And so that way you can see what exactly is going on. So once you jump in and you join a business or whatnot, this is something that, that can definitely help you change your life financially. If this is something that you want to do. Now, I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to make any money. I can't guarantee that. But I mean, if you work the system and you do everything you're supposed to do and you follow our step-by-step proven methods, then you have a good chance to start seeing some money with these platforms. You have a very good chance. But like I said, I'm not going to guarantee you anything. But if you go out and you check out what we're doing over here, then you're going to understand the power of email marketing. You're going to understand the power of doing YouTube videos, Facebook ads, posting on your Facebook wall. You're going to see the power. We're going to show you exactly how to do it and what we're doing to get people to watch our ads. And like I said, when you very first start out on doing something online, you can't get frustrated because you're new to it. And if people are not reacting to your post or reacting to your videos or whatever the case may be, you can't get frustrated. You just got to keep doing what you're doing. I mean, I'm on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for a while, for a very long time, but I never wanted to do videos. I was always scared to do videos. And I was like, man, I don't want to do any videos. I don't want to put my face on camera. I don't want to talk. I don't want to do that. I just want to, buy traffic and send them to my offer, and, hopefully somebody signs up. But guys, I mean, if you look at it, what happens? I mean, like you see how I just told you, where if somebody sends you a business opportunity on it, through an email, what's the first thing a lot of people do? Because I do it. I go to YouTube to, check out and see, if this is a legitimate business or what's going on, and get other people's opinion. So if you're putting out videos and there's a high percent chance that somebody might pull your video up. And they're saying, whoa, okay, well, I just, this guy just sent me an email, and then, wow, now I'm seeing his video on YouTube. So, in that way, people can start getting more comfortable with you, and they start understanding, your logic and what you're trying to do. So that's powerful, for you to do that. But like I said, I just really started with YouTube on, doing videos. I haven't been doing videos for a long time. And, I did a couple of videos, but, I wasn't consistent like I am now. So like I said, I don't, at the end of the day, I don't care if I get, 5 views, 10 views, 15 views, or whatever the case may be. It doesn't bother me, but I just keep grinding regardless. So you have to keep doing that until you start building up your list, or you building up your subscribers, or you building up your views, and get it out to as many people as you can. That's just the name of the game. Okay. It's very simple to do. And I mean, I didn't mean to ramble on, but I just wanted to just give you guys, a quick update on some things that you can do to help you out to be able to take, this business to the next level and how you can do it. And like I said, we have step by step. We're not going to leave you out, hang you out to dry once you join this business. Also, um, we have a hangout that we do every week. And how cool is that to have a hangout where you can go on and, watch the hangout and pick up, tips and things of that nature. Also, with the hangout, it's going to be coded to you. So, if you're on YouTube or if you're on, social media or whatnot, you can share that hangout to your social media platforms. And when people click onto that hangout and they watch the hangout and they want to get involved, once they click that, click the join button, that's going to be credited to you. And you did absolutely nothing. All you did was show the video. You just showed the hangout. And now, people are watching the hangout and they're joining you. So, I mean, how cool is that to be able to have another way for people to join you in your business with a live hangout? Because like I said, you can get on Facebook and you can throw it out there and say, hey guys, come check out, come check out the live hangout, and I can show you what we're doing in our business over here. And you can push that hangout out there to get more exposure to your offer. So, I mean, how cool is that? And then if you also have if you have an email list built up, you can send that live hangout to your email list so people can go on there and they can check out that live hangout. I mean that's cool. A lot of people don't do that. A lot of people won't give you that type of access. They'll create, they'll do a live webinar or a live hangout, but they'll have their links in there for people to join them, that particular person who's doing the live hangout. So now this gives you an opportunity to, to throw a live hangout out there. And when somebody joins the business, that person comes to you. I mean, I'm blown away by that. I mean, I like that part of it because now you can get more exposure to your business. So, I mean, it's out here. I know I love the sales funnel that is attached to this program. It's been working like gangbusters. Haven't had any problems with it. But that's just if you guys want to recruit. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm saying it over and over. I just want to make sure, I have a clear, you have a clear understanding on that part of it. But if you want to get involved, like I said, I'm going to leave the information in the description below this video. Guys, do me a favor. Hey, hit them likes for me on this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Definitely hit that bell icon so you can get the updates on all the videos that I put out, because you're not going to want to miss all the information and the value and the content that I'm going to give you guys going here forward. So guys, you want to get in, like I said, hit the link below in the description. Come join the team. Come check us out. Let us show you how to be able to make some money online. And guys, like I always say, peace and love, and I will see you guys in the next video.